This video shows the simple steps to set up your new AT&T Internet Air for Business 5G gateway. This includes assembling your new 5G gateway, locating the best placement for your 5G gateway, attaching the power cable to your new 5G gateway, and connecting your wireless devices. There are no tools or technicians needed to activate your device, and the entire process should take around 15 to 20 minutes. If you haven't already, go ahead and carefully remove your 5G gateway and power cord from the box. The power cord is located in the box inside the 5G gateway packaging. Your 5G gateway connects wirelessly to the closest AT&T cellular signal tower. So let's find an optimal place in your premises for the connection. A few tips. For optimal service, place your 5G gateway in a room on the highest floor of your building and near a window if possible. Also, look for a spot in your building that is away from direct sunlight. And keep your 5G gateway away from things that could block or affect your signal. Your signal could be affected if placed near large appliances, including microwave ovens, in front or back of computer monitors or television screens, stone or concrete walls, or even network equipment. Safely set the 5G gateway up high if possible, perhaps on a desk, table, or shelf, and insert the power cable into a working outlet and the back of the 5G gateway. Your 5G gateway will begin powering up, and you'll see the front of the 5G gateway light up. This may take a few minutes, so take a look around and clear any objects that can block or affect the signal, like wireless phone base stations or other wireless devices. Your new 5G gateway will automatically run a signal test for the location you have it in. The front 5G gateway display will show the results of the signal test. If your signal is weak at this location, you'll see a red notification light on your 5G gateway. With a weak signal, you'll need to move the 5G gateway and try a new location. We understand that every building is different and some provide unique challenges to get the best signal quality. So if needed, we also offer a 5G antenna to help improve your signal strength and range. If you're shown a blue light on your 5G gateway notification light, this location is good. While the spot may be good, we suggest you try testing other spots, such as high in your office, with clear sight to a window, away from obstructions and direct sunlight to find an even better signal. Again, try a new spot, and if you've unplugged the 5G gateway, it will rerun the test automatically when you power it back up. When your signal quality check comes back with a green notification light, this is a great spot. If you're having trouble finding the best location in your building or experiencing slower than expected speeds, feel free to give our specially trained agents a call at 800-331-0500. Now that your 5G gateway is connected, use the network name and password located on the bottom of your 5G gateway to wirelessly connect your Wi-Fi enabled devices to your new network. And please note, your Wi-Fi name and password is not the same as your AT&T account name and password. Quick note, to simplify the reconnection of devices you've already connected to your previous Wi-Fi network, we suggest you change your Wi-Fi name and password to be exactly the same as your former network. And please note, by using a short press of the WPS button on the back of your new 5G gateway, you can wirelessly connect a nearby device over WPS. Just press and release the WPS button quickly, and this will allow WPS-enabled devices to be connected to your 5G gateway. Be sure to power off your old Wi-Fi router so there are no conflicting signals. To change your Wi-Fi name or password, or to customize device settings, access your Wi-Fi portal by going to attwifi.manager on your computer or device already connected to your network. You can also access the Wi-Fi portal directly by opening a browser on a device connected to your network and typing in http://192.168.1.1. Feel free to pause this video to jot down this address to access the Wi-Fi portal, and it's always available on the bottom of your 5G gateway. If you do change your Wi-Fi name or password, just be sure to restart all of your wireless devices so they reconnect to the new Wi-Fi network. Great job, your on-premises AT&T network is set up. To enhance your 5G gateway, AT&T offers an optional AT&T Internet Air for Business Wi-Fi extender to help expand your Wi-Fi coverage. We also offer a 5G antenna to help improve your cellular signal strength and range. For online information, And for help with your internet equipment, go to att.com/5G-gateway. If you need help from one of my agents, give us a call at 800-331-0500. Thank you for choosing AT&T.